Quick Zadia update, especially if you're thinking of buying or investing here. Maraming nagtatanong sa akin kung ano na ba ang status ng Zadia ngayon. So in this video, I'll give you a real updated look at the project, construction progress, turnover, and what this means if you're planning to invest. So kung investor ka, importanteng alam mo kung nasaan na ang project. Because progress and turnover usually means lower risk, better rental potential, and stronger value appreciation over time. So let's start with the towers. So Tower 3, almost done na ang unit turnover. That means owners can already start preparing their units for move-in or leasing, which is a big plus for rental income. So Tower 4 naman, on the other hand, dito sa likod ko is ongoing ang construction. So if you're someone looking at a unit na may konting lead time pa, this is where future value growth usually happens. So guys, right now, tingnan natin yung actual unit natin dito sa Zadia. So pagpasok natin, on our left side is the kitchen area, So dito naman sa ating right side is the comfort room. So tara, pasok pa tayo dito sa medyo loob, So makikita natin dito, dito niya nilagay yung kanyang bedroom, Tapos andito na rin yung kanyang dining set, or din dito siya naglagay ng kanyang TV. So tara, check naman natin yung balcony, kung paano yung view. So every unit ng ating Zadia, is lahat may balcony. So makikita naman natin, yung view, napaka-relaxing, after a day's work, or you just sip your morning coffee dito, sobrang relaxing talaga. So another good update here sa Zadia is the clubhouse and amenities. Well, these are expected to be usable soon, which is important kasi amenities really affect the livability and rentability. Mas madaling magpa-rent kapag may complete amenities, Lalo na for young professionals and small families. So guys, right now, nandito tayo sa clubhouse ng Zadia. So tara, tingnan natin yung loob. Pasok tayo. So guys, ito yung magiging swimming pool natin dito, kay Zadia. So after a long day of work, pag pagod tayo sa work, or you just want your morning dip, perfect na perfect itong pang-relax tong pool natin dito. So guys, pakita ko sa inyo yung magiging amenities natin dito kay Zadia, So ito yung swimming pool natin. Then pagpasok natin dito is marami pang ginagawa, na mga amenities. This one, nakikita natin na to will be the function room. Hindi pa natin alam kung ilan yung packs na kaya niyang i-hold, pero we'll give you an update din. Lahat tayo dito, So ito daw po yung magiging cafe natin, So maybe they will serve coffee or sandwiches. We'll know then kung ano yung magiging updated menus nila, Ito naman yung magiging parang reception hall nila, parang front desks. And dito naman, pagkalagpas natin, magiging basketball court and also tennis court. So, meron na tayong isa doon na basketball court, then magkakaroon pa tayo ng isa dito. Then, konting lakad pa, and ito naman yung magiging comfort room natin, syempre for boys and girls. Ito, unexpected to, Originally, wala sa plan nila, pero they are so generous. Bibigyan nila tayo ng magiging gym. Ready na tayong i-achieve ang ating mga fitness goals, So, let's work out. So, from an investor's point of view, Zadia is already entering that stage na less speculative and more usable. You have towers now for turnover, amenities coming up, and continuous development. So, lahat yan are good indicators na the project is moving forward as planned. So, I'm not here to hard sell, pero if you're watching Zadia as a possible investment, these updates matter. They help you decide kung pang-rent ba siya, pang-flip later on, or even pang-end use. So marami sa inyo ang nagtatanong sa akin, when is the best time to invest in real estate? Well, ang sagot ko dyan, pinakamagandang time mag-invest ay kapag nagsisimula pa lang ang development. Yung tipong may construction pa, may lupa-lupa pa lang, hindi pa fully developed ang paligid. Well, bakit? Kasi doon pa lang mas mababa pa ang presyo, mas marami ka pang choices at mas mataas ang potential na tumaas ang value habang tinatayo yung project. Then as development progresses, nagkakaroon ng buildings, amenities, roads, umaakyat na rin yung presyo. So kung papasok ka kapag tapos na lahat, safe yes, pero mas mahal na. Kaya kung investor ka na ang goal ay growth and appreciation, madalas the smart move is early entry. Habang ginagawa pa lang, habang kita mo pa na may progress. And of course, importante pa rin na maayos ang developer at on track ang construction. Pero kung nakita mo na gumagalaw na ang project, that's usually a good signal. So remember, sa real estate, minsan hindi mo na kailangang hintayin na tapos na lahat. Minsan, the best opportunities are found habang ginagawa pa lang. So yun guys, sana nakatulong itong Zadia update sa decision making nyo. If you want more details, unit options, or gusto nyo lang magtanong if Zadia fits your investment goals, message me on my personal number or send an email dito sa nakalagay sa screen and I'll guide you sa next steps. Don't forget to like and subscribe and see you on my next video.